Hello Athene community, here we will guide you step by step on how to deposit ATH on the ATHEX exchange to proceed with funding. First, go to the wallet section. Select Send. Then choose Transfer to ATHEX Funding. Here, you can select either ATH or Lion to deposit on ATHEX. Ensure that you have created an account with the same email on ATHEX beforehand. Select ATH and enter the desired amount. Click Send OTP. A 6-digit OTP code will be sent to your email. Enter the 6-digit code accurately in the designated field. Additionally, if your account has 2FA enabled, you need to enter a verification code from your Authenticator app. After completing these steps, press Send. When the pop-up appears, press Send again to complete the deposit of your ATH on ATHEX. Please perform these steps carefully to avoid any errors. Thank you for watching.